What's the level? What's the life? What's the level? What's the life? Back outside, we out here at Kota Fest, and I got the one and only
Star Healer, Tombelasmia Lena.
uzizwa kanjani namhlanje njengoba ilanga liphumile imvula mezama ukusiphazamisa, but it seems like the vibes are going up. How are you feeling?
Ngijabule kakhulu Nkosi yami esingaexpectanga iziphathe kahle lemvula. But besides that ngijabule kakhulu kuba la eKota Fest. I think it's my second time ngizoperform eKota Fest. So I'm really grateful. Yabona icrowd ukuthi iyavuma so nje yebo.
Everyone knows you ukuthi you are a good singer. Yabona ivocal uyalishaya udlali. I want to know ukuthi who inspires you when it comes to the music that you are making.
Usho la eSouth Africa noma?
La eMzansi.
Okay, ngingasho ukuthi lana ngiyamthanda uMifako, ngiyamthanda futhi noButi Sjava ngoba stage manje. Maybe ngalena ngithanda uRihanna.